Okay, so now we will discuss arrows and annotation. Here it is. Along with tick marks and text, another useful annotation mark is the simple arrow. Drawing arrows in Matplotlib is often much harder than you might hope. While there is a plt.arrow function available, I wouldn't suggest using it. The arrows it creates are SVG objects that will be subject to the varying aspect ratio of your plots, and the latter is rarely what the user intended. Instead, I'd suggest using the plt.annotate function. This function creates some text and an arrow, and the arrows can be very flexible specified. Here we'll use annotate with several of its options. Now, percentage matplotlib inline fig ax plt dot subplots x is equals to np dot linspace 0 20,000 ax dot plot x np dot cos ax dot axis resultant equal. Now ax dot annotate local maximum xy 6.28 1 xy text is equals to 10 4 arrow props equals to take face color black shrink equals to 0.05 ax dot annotate local minimum, and now xy is equals to np dot pi minus 1 xy text is equals to 2 minus 6. Now, arrow props is equals to dict arrow style is equals to dash connection style sorry, it will go, we will enter, and that's actually the connection style will be angle 3, angle A is equals to 0, angle B is equals to minus 90, and I hope we run that with error free. So we got the result, which is local minimum and maximum, local maximum here, which is annotation examples. So the arrow style is controlled through the arrow props dictionary, which has numerous options available. These options are fairly well documented in Matplotlib's online documentation. So rather than repeating them here, I'll quickly show you some of the possibilities. So let's demonstrate several of the possible options using the birth rate plot from before. So we will now fig ax equals to plt dot subplots fig size 12 4 births by date dot plot births by date dot plot ax is equals to ax. Add labels to the plots. Annotate New Year's Day. xy equals to 2012 1 1 4100 xy chords is equals to data xy text equals to 50 minus 30 text chords is equals to offset points. Now arrow props equals to arrow style equals to connection style 3 red 0.2 now ax dot annotate independence day xy equals to 2012 4 to 50 4 to 50 xy chord is equals to data. Now b box dict box style to round fc equals to none ec is equals to gray xy text equals to 40 text chord is equals to offset points center now arrow props equals to dictionary arrow style it's to sorry now I'm going to copy that down what I wrote in practice. So it's the same, you have to deal with the same thing again and again. You can see from here now. So actually, what actually is this? That remember we did that thing again in previous lectures, couple of lectures. So now what we will do is that I'm going to copy that down. What it's basically nothing special, only you have to deal with some of the tricks used in this formatting and nothing else. It's gonna take some time. Hopefully you will complete. And so with that we have some syntax errors, center. We can now fix that. Where is that independence? Is equals to we are going to have a value error. The end result, we will get that no figure size with one axis. So eventually fix that error, and I hope we don't face any error here. So we didn't face any error here, and we got the result this one. The code will be as displayed. It will start from here. So you can pause yourself, and here is it. You can pause. That's basically a quite easy one. You have to just there's quite a lot of repetition involved. So you notice that the specification of the errors and text boxes are very detailed. This gives you the power to create nearly any error style you wish. Unfortunately, it also means that these sorts of features often must be manually tweaked, a process that can be very time consuming when one is producing publication quality graphics. Finally, I'll note that the preceding mix of styles is by no means best practice for presenting data, but rather included as a demonstration of some of the available options.